Strangest thing about love in the jungle, the apes you miss most are never the ones always swinging in your face. It's the ones who disappear into the trees. One moment they're laughing with you, next moment they're gone, and suddenly every sound of a vine, every banana peel, every shadow makes you think of them. That's because missing is born from absence, not presence. And if you learn the 7 jungle codes, you can turn silence into attraction, make any ape crave you without chasing at all. Casanova Ape revealed the secrets. The disappearing vine. First rule, vanish. No chasing, no banana spam. When you swing away, their imagination swings wilder than reality. Ape brain hates mystery, so when you don't text, don't call, they start inventing stories. Where is he? Who is he with? Did he swing into better jungle? This little sting of rejection flips their brain into craving. Missing is just imagination on fire. The full jungle life. Second rule. Show jungle is full. Post wins, not wines. Share banana feasts, gym vines, craft time with Ape Tribe. When they peek into your world and see color, laughter, adventure, they feel gap in theirs. Missing comes when they realize, without me, his jungle still shines, but with me, it could shine brighter. That's when they lean closer. The bait resistance. Third rule, ignore the bait. Other ape will throw shiny posts, subtle jungle signals, little selfies with new banana. Don't bite. When you resist, they go crazy. Because every like you don't give, every emoji you don't send makes them question, why not me? Why not now? This is reverse chase. You stop running after, suddenly they start running toward. Be the mystery. Fourth rule. No eagerness. When they finally swing back with a message, don't explode like Rookie Monkey. Oh, hi, hi, hi. That shows you waited at Vine all night. Instead, be cool. Short, simple, but warm. Like, hey, hope jungle treating you good. That calm tone plants mystery. Why he not more excited? Who he busy with? Curiosity is gasoline for missing. Spark jealousy. Fifth rule. Gentle jealousy. Not toxic, not cruel, but let them see you have options. A photo with tribe, a laugh with other apes, even tagging Banana Buddy. Their brain instantly races. Am I being replaced? That little storm of fear creates hunger. Because in jungle love, what can be lost is what we chase hardest. The secret nickname. Sixth rule. Give memory hook. A nickname, a small joke, an inside banana code only you share. Why? Because every time they hear it, from song, from friend, from sky, it pulls you back into their mind. Missing is strongest when world itself becomes reminder of you. You turn everyday jungle into echo of your vine. Teach, don't preach. Final rule, leave gift in mind. Teach them something new, banana recipe, vine trick, story from ancient jungle. Every time they use it, they think of you. That's how leaders make others miss them. They don't just take time, they leave seeds that grow even in absence. That seed is what makes them crave your presence again. Break these codes, you become noise. Follow them, you become echo. And echo never dies. It bounces in jungle heart forever. If you want to be unforgettable, don't push, just plant. Don't chase, just vanish. And watch them miss you until they swing back. So remember, love vine is not pulled tight. It's played like music. Silence between notes make melody. Be silence they can't forget. If you want more jungle wisdom, drop banana in comments and subscribe to Ape Love. See you in the next video.